Look at that pretty view out there. The trees. Bubba.
Good.
I love you.
Love you.
Is that good? Is that good? What's on your shirt? What kind of dinosaur's on your shirt?
What is that?
Oh, it's a bee. Hey, what kind of dinosaur's on your shirt?
Stop. Turn it off.
Why?
Why didn't it land so I can stomp on it?
You want to stomp on it?
Yeah.
What if you don't catch it and it stings you?
That's right. You don't catch it. You stomp on it.
Oh. What if you don't get to stomp on it and it comes back and it stings you?
Well, I'll probably just dunk and probably hit it with my shoe. Sorry, gotta go. Gotta go on an adventure.
Gotta go on an adventure. Benson! 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 Look at Mommy!
I see a butterfly.
What?
See a butterfly.
See a butterfly?
It's right there. Pretend you're like your statue.
Pretend I'm a statue? Can I move yet? Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
You know what?
Oh, sorry.
You know what? You're handsome.
I'm not handsome. I'm cool.
You're cool? Oh, okay.
Well, my first help us fell down and raised flowers. So I'll go with my toe. Darn it. Mom, I got fish. I got fish. Oh, I just let him go. Oh, he's not going away now. I got him. I got him. Oh, there he is. There he is.
That's your fish?
That's a lucky. It's a slipper. My slipper, Mom. Hey, what was that? That flew.
I don't know. Benson! What you doing? Hi. Is the fingers good? Huh?
I got it. Hey, Mom, are you hot?
Nope.
Well, I got this if you're hot.
You gonna fan me off?
Yeah.
Like a queen? You're silly.
Is it supposed to have two people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Thank you. I feel much better now.